Okay, so here we've got a, David Bradley chainsaw that I fixed up a number of years ago. And we're gonna, because it's a nice day outside, we're gonna give this thing a fire up and see how she goes. For those that know chainsaws, you'll notice there's something rather unique about this one. Um, this David Bradley chainsaw was a gear-driven 360 model. Let me just see if I can zoom in on that here. Yeah, David Bradley gear-driven 360. Um, and the way this saw was designed was that you would normally have the blade in this position right here. So that would be sort of the default position. But if you wanted to make a cut that was really low to the ground, you could then go and move the bar from this side to this side so you can get really close to the ground there. So um, just to make this a bit of a wall hanger and a bit of a conversation piece, I went and I threw another bar on this puppy, and so anyways, we're gonna see if we can fire it up here, and we're gonna see if we can make one cut with it. So we're gonna see if we can cut one piece of wood with it. I don't know, that might be a little bit too crazy. Got the safety glasses on here today, just for obvious reasons. So let's give her a shot. All right, well, there we have it, folks. Yeah, obviously a bit of a dull saw, but she works. That was kind of fun, actually.